Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about chemical and photochemical reactions of atmosphere. You know my friend, our knowledge about chemical and photochemical reactions of atmosphere is limited due to large number of difficulties encountered during their studies. Small quantities of gases other than nitrogen and oxygen and drastic condition of high altitudes, solar energy and third body very much separated. Hence they could not be studied in the laboratory. Further, there are many reactions which do not take place in the absence of sunlight, even at a high temperature. On the contrary, in the presence of sunlight, they take place at much lower temperature than expected. As a matter of fact, these photochemical reactions are catalyzed by a strong solar radiation. The reactions of formation of ozone in the atmosphere and the photochemical dissociation and the ionization in the upper part of the atmosphere are important reactions. My friend, the formation of ozone by photochemical reaction can be represented as follows. You can see O2 after getting light, it is separated, bond of the O2 double bond breaks, and then for the third body reactions. While the ultraviolet radiation causes photochemical ionizations, dissociations, you can see the ionizations of this O3 converted into O2 and activated oxygen, and this O2 further breaking of the double bond of oxygens, and then here all are radicals getting light after losing one electron, it is positive, and then O2 plus. So such type of reaction happen in atmosphere. The atomic oxygens react with O3 OH plus radical or oxide of nitrogen, leading into formation of oxygens. Thus oxygen become available in sufficient amount in environment. Look at here the reaction. Another important reaction of a stratosphere is the photochemical depletions of ozone by chlorofluorocarbon used in refrigerations and air conditioning. Look at here, this is the chlorofluorocarbon. Under UV light, it ionizes, ionization occurs. You can see the ionizations like these reactions. In troposphere, the oxygen is used by aerobic organism in the decomposition of organic matter to liberate carbon dioxide. If you have the acetaldehyde react with O2, aerobic organisms, it converted into carbon dioxide in water. Formaldehyde, carbon dioxide in water. Ethanol converted into carbon dioxide in water. Methanol converted into carbon dioxide in water. You know, oxygen is also utilized in the burning of fossil fuels or oil to produce carbon dioxide in water. You see the carbon plus O2 carbon dioxide, and methane react with O2 to give carbon dioxide in water. Other important reaction taking place in the atmosphere are due to release of pollutants as a result of human activities, and these include the reactions causing acid rain and photochemical smoke formation. Look at here what is the meaning of acid rain. Among air pollutants, oxide of sulfur and nitrogen are significant compounds released from variety of sources, and these oxides, when washed away with rain, form sulfuric and nitric acid, the main constituents of acid rain, the formation of sulfuric acid. These are the reaction, and this product is sulfuric acid starting from sulfur dioxide. The formation of nitric acid is starting from NO. Look at here the product nitric acid. So what is photochemical smoke? Acidic gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, when present in atmosphere, combine with aldehyde ketones and particulate matter present in the atmosphere, resulting in formation of photochemical smoke. Look at here nitrogen dioxide breaking off the bonds. After taking this oxygen, this acetaldehyde converted into this form, and after many steps you can see the nitric acid, dinitrogen pentoxide, nitrate, like this. So photochemical smoke gives a variety of noxious product in the air. The study of this subject is very helpful as it tells how secondary pollutants are produced from interactions among primary emission. Most of the secondary pollutants are new compound unique to photochemical smoke process. The smoke conditions are produced by the combination of concentrated emission, limited air volume in smoke, strong isolation. My friend, the steam form of atmospheric pollutions resulting from the internal combustion engine is the phenomenon of photochemical smoke. A visibility, reducing haze with acid smell and taste, and that is very irritating to the eyes and has a decidedly unpleasant effect on the lungs. My friend, the photochemical smoke is found where the following conditions coincide: a high concentration of the primary pollutant hydrocarbons and oxide of nitrogen, a strong sunlight, and relatively stable air mass resulting from local geography. The greater Los Angeles basin of USA, Tokyo and Japan, Brussels of Belgium, and London of England, Copenhagen of Denmark, and Cologne of Germany, Bombay and Kolkata of India exhibit a classical conjunction of this factor. Smog is an example of branch chain reactions. The main feature of typical days smog, though some important components such as aerosols are excluded, researchers have shown that the major stages in the developing smog are probably emission of hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxide from morning traffic, which reaches a peak during rush hour. The absorption of sunlight by nitrogen dioxide, which increases as the concentration of oxide and sun intensity increases. A series of reactions in which nitric oxide is converted to nitrogen oxide with simultaneous reactions yielding oxidants such as ozone and aldehyde. Oxidation of hydrocarbons to produce including eye irritants like PAN, peroxyalkyl nitrate, and haze forming aerosols. The end of the oxidation reaction and dispersal of product. The stages overlap constitutively and each representing the overall results of many reactions which are not fully understood. A complete chain of photochemical model can be represented in the following 15 reactions. Look at this reaction, write it down in your notebook and practice it, because this reaction is entirely different whatever we learn in the general chemistry, because here radicals, after radical so many steps you will get the products like nitric acid and sulfuric acid you have seen. Look at this. So these all 15 reaction. Here you see peroxyacyl nitrate, aldehyde and peroxy radicals. So here M is a body which absorbs energy of reactions, AC hydrocarbons and R2O peroxy radicals. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.